is a terrible master, but an excellent servant. I would like to request Pranav sir to add his input on this quote.
Yeah, money. So actually, when I always say money is a funny monkey. If you chase it, it will keep eluding you. That is how it is. So wealth is something that you need to always create and save it off.
The Battle of Great Mind is brainchild initiative by L&T Global Mumbai and Connect Talks. It is the second season which has a thought process of mentoring the youth, millennials and bring out the best talent in the society. We have an amazing panel of mentors with us today. Priya Mishra ma'am, Avni Bhatnagar ma'am, Sonu Bajaj sir, Pradeep Pardesi sir and Kamal Jeswani sir. Now, let us meet a great manager, mentor, teacher and guide.
Person inspiring us every day, every minute. Our captain, Mr. Pranav Shenoy, the chapter director of L&T Global Mumbai. Now moving ahead, I would like to ask Kamal sir, the genre mentor, what are his views on this presentation?
So basically, I think they did a very good research, and so they tried to show a different aspect of many things. So I from a research perspective, I would say it was good. Even if I look at the maybe the data, some figures could have been added more, okay, as compared to what it was, but it was really great because they looked at many angles. And when afterward they focused on the agriculture part and they expanded it, because that's what ideally a presentation should do. That initially it should start with various aspects and then take us to one aspect where they would like to highlight. So I think that was a fair job. And all the participants who came and one by one, and their presentation skill also was really very good. They were able to basically come across very, very clearly.
Okay, thank you sir. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
I request all the participants to be attentive as we move towards the Q&A session.
Yeah ma'am, what would you like to ask the brainiacs?
Was definitely really nice and interesting. As I said, after going through the last entire set, it was really nice. Though I was yet again looking at something where they also come up with a conclusion as to what can they add to all of this. So stating the facts was amazing. On the numbers front, the questions that they were asking and the kind of response and everything is amazing. But I am looking at more, how can you guys add to such things which are happening, So if you say that agriculture is the next big thing, as a group, no matter what, I mean, that's what I'm sort of looking for. Last time I found some few things. But yeah, otherwise it's amazing to see all of you, picking up such big topics. Trust me, these are the topics which everyone, are discussing in government to businesses right now. So yeah, good work there.
Pradeep sir, do you have something to ask our participants?
Yeah, it was a fantastic presentation. First of all, let me talk about whatever we were discussing about the PowerPoint presentation before the presentation started. The PPT was awesome, and I should actually come to you guys for some PPT lessons.
मैंने कहा ना प्रदीप तुम्हें, मैंने कहा ना. So it started with here. It started with here and it actually ended up here.
Yeah.
So the kind of transformation that happened in 5 weeks, not 5 weeks, it was just 20 days. And the transformation that happened, if you look at the last presentation मतलब जो environment का होगा ना जिस दिन presentation, you look at that presentation, or you can say even technology का जो presentation, you look at that presentation, you will actually feel, वाओ व्हाट इज इट, क्योंकि मैंने बैठ के उनको माइन्यूट से माइन्यूट फीडबैक, माइन्यूट से माइन्यूट थंब रूल ऑफ 10 20 30 रूल ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन, बैठ के मैंने उनको एक एक चीज सिखाई है, तब जाके प्रेजेंटेशन पे implications एंड देन तब जाके वो implementations आई है. So if you look at overall perspective on the first start में, तो then you look okay ठीक है ये कुछ नहीं है करे, but then later stages पे वो आ रहा है. Still there is some requirement of beautification and some changes in the presentation. The next presentations you may find it more worthy.
Fantastic.
Go ahead.
So I really like the template, and the template was a fantastic thing. Second thing, a very serious point that I'm going to bring to your attention. This is a mentoring presentation, so it's okay. But when you go on a bigger platform, the most important thing that you must check is whether are you presenting on a pirate MS Office or not. Although you're students, so nobody is going to point it out. But for when you move on to professional ladders, that time it makes a very important thing on your presentation, whether is it pirated or not, because it was clearly visible on your PPT. Let me tell you two instances where actually I have seen the impact of pirated presentation. There was one presentation, one guy came in one of the organization, and I was also the part of that presentation. He was talking about morals and ethics, and he started with a pirated presentation, and he was talking about morals and ethics. So you can imagine that part. Second thing, actually, I was a panel member of one of the organization where such presentation was going to be talked about, and I actually spoke about this particular point about the piracy and all those things. So a couple of jury members said that this is not a PPT presentation, but it's another topic. So actually I had to come up and tell them why is it very important to consider whether to consider this point or not. First thing, if there are free versions available, why should we go for a stolen material? Second thing, when you talk about when you start off your presentation, अगर आपके पास pirated है, उसको छुपाने का एक तरीका है, do not reveal the presentation unless and until it is on the slideshow mode. ठीक है, but audience को देखने मत दो. ये point बहुत छोटी है, irrelevant लग सकती है, but बहुत to the point है, because like I said, I have seen in professional world it talks about some serious consequences.
Sir, जो screen था ना sir, वो मेरे PC का नहीं था. मेरे PC में.
Pradeep, it is from.
दे रहा.
I got it.
Consider that for future.
Yes,
यहाँ पे उसका कोई important नहीं होता.
Yes sir.
Future में जब professionally उसको करोगे, तब consider these pointers.
Yes sir. Agreed sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Moving on, I would like to ask Sonu sir, what is his feedback on this presentation?
I think we were asking the questions. So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to give the feedback right now. I'm going to ask
So you can even ask, yeah, of course,
to the team why they have selected this topic, the heading. Why they have selected? Can you tell me why you have selected this heading?
So sir, it's quite a funny story actually, but recently, it's not a funny, it's a sad story actually. So recently the death of Irfan Khan happened, right? And then we were just going through all the messages that we see, and we saw this meme template right out there. And one of my colleague, Rohan Tripathi, always used to say that how we used to be called Sone Ki Chidiya and why we are not being called that now, and how Chanakya's morals can be used in real life. But then I thought, yeah, Chanakya was a true economist. He did revolutionize the Maurya generation, right? So I just went on Google and I searched that, okay, the father of economics in the world. And I saw Adam Smith come up. And I was like, wait, but Chanakya did this 1,000 years before. Why is no one recognizing him? And that's how we came up with the entire fact that we need to bring it to the young generation of this world, that India has always been on the forefront of every innovation. And that's how we got the term Sone Ki Chidiya. We were literally so rich that this is a theory, but the GDP of India at that particular point was almost in the top 3 countries in the world. Because we had big dynasties, we had big kingdoms, we had brilliant economists out there. And after that, when the British came into India, they brought a concept of tax. Now, every country started using tax. Even Chanakya had a tax system, but British's tax system was that if you grow 5 kilos of rice in a farmer's life, you have to give away 4 kilos to British Empire as tax.
Okay, so that's a different thing. What we are now, what
Yeah,
you're
yeah. So
now, why I asked about this topic,
yeah,
because the topic of today is financial inclusion, and I think Kamal can better make everyone understand what topic you were going. The content again. Last time also with you, the same thing was there. Ki the context of the topic is missing in your last presentation as well, right? So that is what I said at that
uh,
time also.
sir, the when we were talking with Commercial during the mentorship session, he said that look at financial inclusion is a big umbrella. You have to focus on one small point of that umbrella, and you have to make it wide. So when you look at India right now, there are a lot few sectors that are going to be not affected by COVID-19. We have to agree that COVID is going to play a huge role in our life again. So if you look at that, agriculture is one of the sectors on which COVID has going to have a very low importance. And if we focus on agriculture, we can come out with the financial stress that the country might deal due to the COVID scenario. And that's how it links to the financial inclusion. So that is why my partner started with why it was called Sone Ki Chidai and ended with how it's going to help the GDP in the
So
finance sector.
basically, what I understand is financial inclusion is all about availability of financial products and services, right, to the community as a whole. Herein, what we are talking about is the agricultural growth of to support the GDP, right? So
The agricultural impact on the economy as a whole. Yeah.
yeah. So somewhere again, I am not able to connect to the context, to the topic
Okay,
with your presentation, but as a presentation, as the whatever everybody is talking about, the creatives and the way you have presented, that is absolutely fine. They were good, but somewhere again the context, what I was expecting out of it, was missing.
we should really work on that, sir. Thank you so much.
Avni ma'am, do you have something for our participants?
Sure. Thank you, Salita. I want to ask all of you one question. Why were you guys rushed? Was it because of time, paucity of time?
Uh, Yeah. So, ma'am, actually, we had 10 minutes to send out the entire PPT, and we had to explain everything right from the start to the end because we didn't want you guys to miss everything. So, we had to explain the entire scenario in front of you, and then we had to explain the PPT. So, yeah, it may seem a bit rushed, but we were trying to include all possible informations that you could get in that 10 minutes, so that that's so that this 10 minutes is very valuable to you, and you get all the information that you need about agriculture in India in those 10 minutes itself.
Okay, so from the point of view of communication and articulation and body language, etc., I think it was very rushed, and because you were rushed, your body language also, seemed that as if you were in a hurry to finish it. I understand there was a paucity of time. However, maybe you could have structured it more, keeping the time in mind, right? Sometimes what also helps us is that we may not be keen on covering all the aspects or covering all the points written down on the PowerPoint. They could be just for the readers to read. Yes. That is one thing. Another thing is that you spoke about agriculture, which is very good because that is like the backbone of India. Which is good. Agriculture is the backbone, and we may live in wonderful cosmopolitan, metropolitan cities, and we see that we don't really worry about agricultural India, which is rural India, 70% of it. However, what about healthcare? Because don't you think healthcare has a lot of financial impact, right? Because let's say, for example, if I have to undergo a surgery, right, or there is somebody who needs to get a test done. These days, people are very scared to even visit a hospital, though there are a number of hospitals who have declared themselves as absolutely COVID-free, right? However, a lot of people, they are very, very scared of stepping into a hospital because they are afraid of catching the virus. So do you think that is somewhere not impacted the healthcare, because that is something that has happened? I'm not going to talk about other industries like hotel industry or tourism, etc. The second most, or I don't know, maybe the highest affected is also healthcare. What do you think?
We feel that yes, healthcare will play a very dominant factor in the post-COVID world because a lot of healthcare industries are coming up. There are a lot of startups who are giving up new healthcare products, they're bringing out masks, sanitizers, and everything. But if you take a look at the statistics, almost 60% of India's population is involved in agriculture. And when 60% of your population is involved in agriculture and it's accounting only for 17% of the GDP, that shows a big difference. So we need to change the way how this works, because if we are utilizing 60% of our population, we might as well utilize them in a perfect way. So that is why I picked the topic of agriculture, because it has been done from a long time in India and it has been successful in India. That is why. In the olden days, it was so successful that we were the third richest country in the world, second richest if you even consider. But right now we are not, and that's how by doing these things that we mentioned, by putting the solutions, we may try to bring it up the GDP, and we will finally become a developed country from a developing country. Hello, am I audible?
Thank you. Yes, you were audible. Thank
Yes,
you.
Yeah,
When
thank you so
can I
much.
add some point?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can I add? Am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead,
Yes,
Rohan.
Go ahead.
ओके मैम, आपने बोला कि हेल्थ केयर भी एक मतलब एक प्रॉफिटेबल सेक्टर नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि वायरस की वजह से लोग जाने से थोड़ा डरेंगे. तो मैं थोड़ा रिलेट करता हूँ विद एग्री. मोस्ट ऑफ दी हमारे हेल्थ वर्क में उन्हें ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस रहता था, मतलब कि उनको ज्यादा हेल्थ रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती थी. अभी आप देखोगे तो डायबिटीज, ओबेसिटी जो प्रॉब्लम हुई है पहले, ये सब इंडिया में थी नहीं. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द फार्मिंग द हेल्थ ऑफ द इंडियंस वर सो गुड, बट धीरे धीरे हम अपना कल्चर भूलते जा रहे हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाई हम हेल्थ के रिगार्डिंग नहीं देख रहे. एक्चुअली इफ वी रिकॉल अवर कल्चर देन हमारे हेल्थ भी अच्छा हो सकता है.
Okay, thank you.
Hereby we come to an end to the second presentation of Journal 2. I hope you all enjoyed it.
That was an amazing session. Thank you everyone for attending it and making it successful. See you guys in the next episode.